In a big setback for the Aditya Birla Group, the Income Tax Appellate Tribunal has rejected an appeal by Aditya Birla Telecom in its transfer assets to group company Idea Cellular. Let's go across then to Ashwin Mohan. He joins in live from our Mumbai newsroom with all the exclusive details. Ashwin, clearly this is a big blow for the Birlas. What's the tribunal saying exactly?
Lavan, this is clearly a big setback for the Birla Group, because remember, this is perhaps the first attempt by the Income Tax Department to bring corporate demergers under the tax net. And I've been speaking to a few tax experts, and they are saying that this particular case, wherein the Income Tax Department seems to have used the provisions of GAR or General Anti-Avoidance Rule to chase court-approved demergers, could definitely set a wrong precedent and could also make business restructuring tougher for corporates. So therefore, the implications of this case are not only going to be felt by the Birla Group but also for India Inc. as a whole. What I've picked up from top-level government sources is that the IT Appellate Authority, that's the Commissioner of Income Tax Appeals, has in fact ruled in favor of the Revenue Department in a 2,400 crore tax demand case. And of course, the case was filed by ABTL, or Aditya Birla Telecom Limited, which of course is a subsidiary of Idea Cellular. Here's the case in a nutshell. Back in 2009, there was a demerger, there was a telecom business breakup. So as part of that breakup, Aditya Birla Telecom Limited had transferred its license. It also had transferred its assets and other undertakings to Idea Cellular. Now, the Income Tax Department treated this entire transfer as a slum sale and sought to charge capital gains tax on it. And therefore, the amount of 2,400 crore rupees came up. The department, of course, slapped a tax demand on ABTL. ABTL, of course, went to the IT Appellate Authority, and what I understand is that its stance has, in fact, been snubbed by the IT Appellate Authority. But clearly, this is not the end of the road as far as litigation in this case is concerned. I did speak to the Idea CFO Akshay Mundra a short while back, and in fact, in an email response to ET Now, Akshay Mundra has told us that ABTL, or Aditya Birla Telecom Limited, is in the process of filing an appeal to challenge what they call is a highly unjustified tax demand, because clearly Idea's stance seems to be that this particular tax demand is contrary to the current tax law and also is not consistent with tax precedents. So clearly, bad news coming in for the Birla Group. Remember, this is a test case, and of course the outcome of this case will be watched keenly by all corporates indulging in demergers.